Good morning.
Good morning.
How are we this morning?
Good. Rested and cool.
We are off to the Med this morning, but the first thing is to find breakfast. We didn't fancy a hotel breakfast, and we got to pay a toll today.
Oh yeah.
Which we'd avoided all week. But,
well, mostly.
Well, yeah. Well, apart from one. It's a pretty river, isn't it?
It is.
It's a lovely temperature right now.
Yeah.
23 degrees, but it's not going to stay like that for long, I don't think. Let's just tick it out though, isn't it? This one.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it should be.
Are you sure?
That's what we did the last one, wasn't it? Motorcycles and cars less than 2 metres. Oh, press payment here. I've got to pay now.
Yeah.
No ticket.
Oh, okay.
You just get a receipt.
Mm-hmm.
We're in, we're done. So we're only paying for the bridge, I think. So they know exactly how much it is. You've got to get off. You can't get off, can you, any other way?
There it is.
Yeah, there she is, look.
Yeah.
3 years it's taken me to get here to actually do this when I can see it. It's quite impressive though, isn't it?
Yeah.
How weird is it? It's not too bad. Look at that.
Oh. We are on it.
We are. The last time we came, Mark took a picture of the white line. Is there a man over the side of that? I don't fancy that very much.
Oh god, no.
Oh,
Nah, surely not.
I think they're painting.
That puts all those like extreme sport people to shame because they only do things that last like a few minutes at the most.
Got to spend all day like that.
Yeah. Oh.
Hanging over the edge of that.
Yeah.
893 metres I think it is.
Oh, that's ridiculous.
Or 875, one or the other. That turns my belly thinking about it.
Yeah.
Let's go to the beach, my thing.
Let's eat first.
Yeah, let's eat first.
You did the bridge, my thing.
I have, and that's it, mate. I'm done now, I'm happy.
Your trip is complete.
Yep.
Transport cave?
Yeah.
What? Yummy. I must have some roquefort for breakfast now.
Have you not had enough cheese yet?
No.
Jeez.
Never.
Christ.
I don't think I had any yesterday.
What was on your pizza?
Oh yeah. That's goat's cheese, it's different.
Half a goat, if I remember correctly.
Only no cheese.
We're going to go that way, via Montpellier. Cooler than yesterday.
Yeah, nice. It's 20.5.
21, what are you talking about? That cloud looks ominous behind us.
Oh yeah.
Where's your wet weather gear? Where did you try to ask me to put your wet weather gear?
What? You took it out like you said to do, to make more room.
No, you're such a fibber. You want coffee?
Yeah, we can have breakfast.
Ooh, restaurant, boutique, hotel and buffet bar.
I'm in this one. You do this to me all the time.
Right, we'll catch you on a minute after breakfast. Wow, traditional breakfast had?
Chocolate in pastry.
Yeah, and many coffees.
Very French. All you needed was a cigarette. And you'd be basically French. Wait, I haven't even started my bike.
I know, you're always late.
I'm not.
Always late to the party.
Fashionably late.
Fashionably late or annoyingly late? I'm not quite sure which is which.
Well, you wouldn't. I can see that. But the way you dress. Water on my visor.
Yeah, I noticed that.
What the hell?
Show must go on!
Oh my god, my ears! Look at the mountains. It's
beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah. And the yellow plants.
It's probably why I'm
Cool.
sneezing so bloody much.
Look at that view. All the
Beautiful,
funky
isn't it?
rocks. Yeah.
Oh, this is cool.
It is really cool.
That's pretty amazing, actually. I suppose we're not that far away, really, from the Pyrenees.
No, I looked it up on the map because it keeps coming up with like Midi-Pyrenees when you check us in, and I'm like, how far away are they? But they are kind of fairly far. A couple of 100 kilometres, I guess.
Yeah, it's not far.
No, not really. But it's just weird that it kept using that word Pyrenees when you checked us in.
When I looked for the place to go for a beach view yesterday, it said on my maps that I had to download the Spanish map, and I was like,
oh, right. Maybe we won't get that far.
no. But to be fair, it wasn't that far.
Well, today is the day we hit 1,000
What, 1,000
miles.
kilometres, 1,000 miles?
Yeah.
I said it, I worked out, I thought it was going to be about a 2,500 mile holiday, and I hope it's no more than that, because my bike needs a service when we get back. That's the only thing with BMW they could do is, because every other manufacturer seems to be doing it, is extending the service intervals. 10,000 on Hondas now, I think.
Yeah.
10,000 on Triumphs, which means that BMW is going to have to do it. Oh, hello. Maybe abseiling down there, my thing.
Just looking at that makes me feel dizzy. I hope they get paid a good wage.
Maybe I should get a fake degree and come over and teach English.
But God help any English students of yours.
They'd have a whale of a time.
Yeah, you teach them would of, could of, commas, you don't need them.
People still get it.
I don't.
But that's because you're too opinionated. And
Hardly.
you think you're above your station.
No, just above yours.
So I reckon if I avoid tolls on the way back,
Yeah,
but say motorways, I think we'll get this on the way back,
yeah,
but it'll take us before the Millau bridge
yeah.
and drop us down. I've done that now, I'm over it.
Literally.
Yep, yeah. I want to get off the bike now, I'm getting warm.
Ah, I thought you had a higher threshold than me.
I did yesterday, I haven't today.
You don't any day.
It's getting warm though, isn't it? It's because we're not moving. There you go, Valras Plage, is that what you wanted?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Maybe.
I hope so, because that's what you put in the bloody map. If we can park like we did the other day,
Yeah.
that'd be amazing. No idea, you just hanging about? Yeah, just hanging about.
They're doing that thing.
Yeah. Parking, motor. We can't get on the beach, all the roads are closed.
Yeah.
We'll go in here and see if we can squeeze in here.
Breathe in.
We ain't going to get in there, not I hope, because there's no way we're going to get in there. Oh, there we go, look, bastard.
Is that okay?
Yeah, I'll do.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Made it!
Yeah, we are now somewhere on the south coast.
We are in the
Something like that.
Med,
Yeah, made it to the Med.
and it's not boiling up, which is a bonus.
Nice. The
But
sea might
it's
be
a lovely
quite cold.
day.
Yes, look.
Yeah, we've got to go in the sea, explore and
We
enjoy.
can paddle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I saw the Millau road over it. Shh.
Yeah, I saw
Don't
it.
tell the weather.
Finally. Now can stop talking about it.
Yeah, done it now. Quite
Yeah.
impressive though, really, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, not for you, obviously.
Very big bridge.
It's just a motorway. You don't look over the edge of
Why would I?
because you're scared. Oh, look.
Yeah, exactly. So why would I?
But anyway, we found somewhere to park in a car park. It looks okay. Most people park near us. He moved his bike so we had room.
Very nice, man.
It's all good. We are now.
That's the sea over there.
That is the sea.
Yeah.
And there appears to be people in it.
Me. Right, my arm is aching. Let's say bye-bye.
No!
See you later. Bye-bye. Yeah.
We're nearly there. We're here.
Yeah, we're here.
At the beach.
Yeah. That is where. Maybe that helps. Bye-bye.
There's no place I'd rather be than here with you. That's all I need.
We are in over there.
It's cold.
Close to me. That's all I need. If I could stay, then I will stay here forever. If you're
Not this raining or anything. Wow, that was our beach and now it's raining. I thought they said the sun always shone in the south of France.
They lied.
They did lie, didn't they? It's getting heavier, not lighter. This wasn't in the plan.
It really wasn't.
I wasn't supposed to be doing this till tomorrow, but I suppose if it comes today, it might not happen tomorrow.
Well, exactly. The storm might be overnight.
Yep.
And
Dry in the morning.
yeah.
That looks dry aheadish.
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty. Look at that.
Oh, wow. Cool.
What a stunning road.
Yeah.
Even though it's a dual carriageway, it's absolutely beautiful.
Yeah.
That is pretty amazing. Oh, gorgeous to town. I wonder if we're going to ride through there. We're straight on as well.
Oh,
So maybe we're going through.
a gorge. Instead of Cheddar Gorge, it's Rockfort Gorge.
Yeah. The Cheddar Gorge of Millau. Oh, I hope there's somewhere to park on the right hand side. Look at that thing.
I know, I don't like it. It's too high.
There's a viewpoint up there.
I know.
If you put it here, you'll get your side standing on this bit. I don't know, you want to get your side standing there.
I'm okay, just not getting off.
You're not going to come up?
Huh?
You're not going to come up?
Don't have to, do I?
Yeah.
Why?
Come on. It was big, I saw it. It was a big old beastie, whatever it was.
I wonder which one. There's a griffin vulture and a black vulture. I think a griffin, because it looked fairly light.
It was light brown. That was a good little stop, that.
That was good.
So this is the gorge then?
Oh, I just looked down there. I didn't like it one bit.
At least you were behind the fence and not there, look. You wouldn't have got off there, I don't think.
Nope.
Well, this is a pretty route into Millau, isn't it?
Yeah.
We are in Millau. Oh look, it's your pizza restaurant we went to last night, look.
Yeah.
That was nice, that was.
Yeah.
Bye bye everybody. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.